to my channel. If you want to see how I get this look, these bombshell curls, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So this is the wig. I curled it like a couple days ago, so I'm trying to recurl it. So you're gonna need a flat iron, a hot comb, some pins, comb, heat protectant, some clips, and some hairspray. So let's get started. You spray your heat protectant all over the hair, so give it a nice shine and protect your bundles. And this hair is provided by me, my hairline at Pretty Mrs. Hair. So you're going to section off the bottom row. You take about 2 to 3 rows in a medium-sized section. And we're going to curl with our flat iron. It's kind of hard to explain, but you can just watch my hand movements. And you're just going to keep twirling and straightening and twirling and straightening. And then we're going to pin curl the curls up so they can last longer. Okay, so let's do that again. You're gonna flip it, pull it down, flip, pull it down, flip, roll all the way up. But this time we're gonna catch it in our hands, which is much simpler. And then we're just gonna pin it at the base. Voila, you got some pin curls. And now we're gonna just do this all around the head. But when you're curling, depending on what side you're in, you're curling in towards the middle. So you could see the position of my flat iron is going, the curl is going to go towards the middle. And you just go to the next section. Make sure you take like 2 to 3 rows. Like, you don't want it too big. You just want it to fit inside if you're a flat iron or your curling iron. This can be done with a curling iron as well, but I just love curling with this flat iron. This is a new me flat iron. It looks crazy, but I had this for years, like literally years. Like, I want to say early high school, like 9th grade years, and I'm getting my master's now. Like, this has been holding me down. Only thing is that the paint comes off, but it still works like a charm. So just keep curling and pinning all around your head. And this is the side, so you want to curl the side away from your face. So that's why you see I'm holding the flat iron different and I'm pinning it different, like more on a slant. I'm gonna see a closer picture here. And I use the hot comb to add volume to the roots, so it could give you that va va voom Victoria's Secret effect. I mean, it's very simple to curl with a flat iron. I know a lot of people think it's the hardest thing in the world, but it just takes practice. It's like, it's not one step. Like, you're gonna curl different every time. But it's like, if you want the curl to start, and this is the front, this is very important. So the front bang, you want to curl straight up. Sometimes it's best to use like even a regular curling iron for this bang part, so it can have that flip, but this worked out. And we use the hot comb again for the volume, and we're going to pin it like this so it can stay like this. Now we're going to be using the Aussie hairspray. It's a light hold, but it holds your curls. And we're going to spray all around our curls. So this is the next day. You just want your curls to cool. But I wasn't going anywhere. This was at nighttime, so I just let it curl the next day, and now I'm going out. So my curls and hair is ready. So now we're just taking out all the pins from our pin curls and letting it drop. Try to be gentle, like you don't want to mess it up. And after all the pins are removed, you're just going to get a comb, preferably a wide tooth comb or your biggest comb, and we're going to comb throughout the curls. It's going to take a minute for it to get its form or shape, but don't worry, just keep combing and playing with the hair until you get your desired look. And remember, in the front, you're combing away from your face. That's going to give you that oomph, hump look. So now put the wig on, and you see the curls have to still be formed, so I'm just going to keep combing through and playing with it. If you do need to recurl certain parts, go ahead, by all means. It's not the end of the world. Just recurl it to get the shape that you want and the desired look that you want. But remember, comb the front away from your face. And keep just finger combing it, twirling it around, like shaping the curls with your hands. Now to secure the wig, I use the Got2b Free Spray, and all I do is spray it right on the lace, like at the part and around the lace in the front. Some people tie it down. I don't have time for that because I feel like it's going to mess up the hair. So I just let it air dry, and it dries like within 5 to 10 minutes. Like it dries and it's going to be stuck to your head. And now these are the final results. Remember, this is my hair, Pretty Mrs. Hair. My website will be coming soon. This is actually straight hair, and I curled it, and these curls lasted all night, and they still have curls in them. If you'd like to purchase, you can contact me on Instagram at Pretty Mrs. Hair. And this is how you get voluminous curls. Pin curling is really good. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And these are my eyelashes I'm selling, sorry, in the style Lexi, on my website as well. Bye.